Good night, dear mates and tutor. My name is Sandra Carolina Borges, and I'm going to share you the presentation of the Unit 3. Problems to negotiate the biotechnological products. Well, a problem related to intellectual property is one of the issues to protect intellectual property from biotechnological products is the patenting process, is the authors that participate in the construction of the product, because there are too many authors that participate in the process and they all have to figure it in the patents. So some of them can participate in one process, but they cannot participate to another. So the patenting process is complicated a little. To evaluate technology, take into account that the value of the data and the space that are backup entails, as well as of their types of the files and items that the company needs maintain for itself. And the negotiation process is the lack of coordination between the people or groups that depend on each other and different of goals between them. The model technology transfer identify the latest technologies that meet your specific needs. The needs are compared that companies are transferred anonymously to the European centers, which, like AENIA, are dedicated to technology transfers. Companies from all over Europe offer their possible solutions. Find partners to join forces in new developments. On occasions when the technology is not developed, it is possible to ally with other companies so that everyone benefits of it. Make profitable investments. Internationalization, dissemination, and commercialization of the most innovative products of European framework, and observe the technological evolution in the food sector, access to technology profiles published by companies in all over Europe. The recommendations are: conduct two studies to define relationship between intellectual property and access to genetic resources, define common elements to the FIAT and WHO negotiations. Design criteria for monitoring and evaluating illegal access to GRS. This includes the establishment of monitoring mechanisms. Support the definition of the regional strategy on biodiversity, including issues related to biotribe. Thank you all, and good night.